Yo, what's up? It's Rob again. Just gonna do another bike check. It's in my shed now, instead of the usual garage. We're getting scratched and everything, so we've got loads of this shit in the garage. Right there. Well, I don't even know what. I just thought, may as well just do another bike check. I haven't had one since, I don't know, new frame, new bars, stem, loads of things. So I thought, well, you know, maybe do another. Right then. Still got my pop-up front wheel. You can see, still got the Odyssey dirt forks. I've got Odyssey Twombolt cranks. They are absolutely amazing. Worth getting. Apart from having an absolute retard and cost for the fucking bolt, yeah. No. Oh well, can't argue. I've fucked it up yet. I've got well, I suppose you're just going to wonder what the frame is. It's Mankind Arch Angel 2009. It's absolutely brilliant. Lovely to ride. 21 inch. Good for getting them long manis. Still got my S&M 101 pedals. They've held pretty good. Feet and slipped once. Bearings are like fucked up, you know, but you know what I mean. Can't be bad. Yeah. Proper back wheel still. Got the Weeder People Supreme sprocket. That's pretty good. It's light. I don't know why they got it in chrome. It's just the only one they had in. So I thought, fuck it, may as well get it. I'm going for the proper Microlite sprocket and stem eventually. In orange to go with these. And I've got my full brake set up in my bedroom. I'm not sure with that. I'm going to show you when I've got it on. Surprise you all. Amazing ride sticker. The stickers there. Got the Clark. I'm not sure which it is. I think it's the Clark Gonzo pivot the padded. It's absolutely fucking awful. I don't even know why I wasn't buying it. You know? Box again. I've got Fit DLR. Swapped it for my DLD. So DLD is absolutely shit. They're not worth getting at all. And then I've got proper TTL bars. They're good. They don't look that nice. As I must admit, they're pretty big. Well, as you know me, I love big bars. What else? There's something. They come out very wide there, though. Don't know why. But that's the bad thing about them. Apart from when you look at them, that's what I think is pretty shit about them, to be honest. I've still got my amazingly shit tyres. I'm getting some more tomorrow. But getting some fit path on the back and Odyssey Mike Aiton knobbly or street path. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, an Odyssey Mike Aiton tyre on the front. My tyre stand, and I've got. I don't even know what gives there. All I know is the Weeder People. I've had don't know if you can see because this camera's not that good. It's only my phone. My video camera's flat, but 12 megapixel. Can you do? Yeah. They come in. I got them the other day. They're already going through the shit. I think they might brand the signature. I don't know. Something like that. So yeah, that's about it. And I've got. I don't know why I've got a green C clamp, which is only like edges. So yeah. That's my new setup. It's pretty nice. Ride's nice. What can you do? So, and I've got, I don't know why I'm making this, but there we go. Odyssey headset and the United bottom bracket. I've got one of them leather skins as well because my chain is proper slack. I don't know why. And then still got the ringworm on the back. It's not even fucking in properly. I'm gonna have to sort that out right now. So comment, rate and subscribe. Hope you enjoy and get ready for my Easter vid. Be doing a lot of filming tomorrow. Thanks. Well, there was something else I needed to say. Oh yeah, how much would you offer to buy my bike for? Because I'm thinking about selling it and just starting from scratch again. I don't know why, but you never know. So yeah, just comment on how much you reckon you would want to pay. I'm not saying I'm definitely going to sell it, because it's amazing and I love it, but you know, just a question, mate. Well, comment, rate and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And just well, hope you enjoyed it.